everybody, I am Yaren and I'm studying at Bilkent University Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today I'm going to show my final project demo for EEE-102 project. I just use VHDL codes and a basis. I have 3 servo motors and 3 tubes. The aim of the project is to color our old t-shirts or make some paintings. I have 3 servo motors and I'm controlling them with Basys3 switches. 2 switches controls 1 servo motor's movement and make them rotate. My reset is 0 and 7 segment displays E, meaning enable. I can now control the servo motors. For example, in order to control this servo motor, let's give an input. Yes, now this servo motor turns. I want it to turn a little bit and more. It works properly. This same applies to other servo motors. For example, now let's try this one. I want it to turn a little bit. Yes, it again works. Because this reset is 0. But what about when I make it 1? Now I can no longer able to make the movement. For example, I'm giving different inputs and no different outputs because there are some registers in the code and the memory is kept. Now, although when it's disabled, I cannot control the motors. I have a code for hackers. If they can solve them, so they can make again those servo motors rotate. For this purpose, I created a clock, and if it is rising edge, I can give some input by using this button. And my code for this is 101. When the user enters 101 input, even though it is disabled, they can be able to control the motor. For example, let's try these inputs. Normally it shouldn't work as it didn't because it is disabled. I am now entering the code which is 101 in the rising edge of the clocks. I gave 1 input, I gave 0, and I'm giving 1 again. They rotated.